Okay, Lala Chan, ano yung first step natin? Ayan, kids, sabi ni Lala Chan, slowly march. Ayan, kailangan lang natin mag-march, dahan-dahan.
Hoy, sayang lang yan!
Ayan, kids, tingin kay Lala Chan, slowly march daw. And then, Lala Chan, yung sunod. Faster daw, kids, faster. Ayan, gagayahin nyo lang si Lala Chan. Then your arms. To the right. Then down. Then march. Turn around. Okay, kids, let's shout hey. 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 One more time down, one more time. Lala Chan, let's go. To the left. Then to the right. Then down. Then cha-cha. Okay, kids, let's shout hey.